and I am here today with a little hair video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I did this to my hair. Lovely little messy waves using these tools. So yeah, if you want to see how I did it, stay tuned. Okay, we're gonna switch it up a little here, and we're gonna do a hair video. I like to just pop these hair videos in there in the mix once in a while. And today I'm going to be doing hair straightener waves. Show you how you can create waves using your hair straightener. And yeah, it's gonna be fun and interesting because I'm not gonna be able to see what the heck I'm doing in the back. I have this little mirror from high school, literally. I mean, it's all beat up and it's clearly from a long time ago. And I'm gonna try to use that to somehow manage to see what I'm doing in the back. We will see how that goes. So I'm gonna start in the back and I'm gonna clip up most of the hair in the back. I'm just gonna take this little clip here and clip that up, and then we'll start in the back. So I'm using this is, I wanna say Revlon. Remington? It's either a Revlon or a Remington hair straightener. I have had this for like 11 or 12 years. And I'm going to be using this little Conair one because for my shorter layers, we're gonna mix it up a little here. So I'm gonna turning around, and now I'm going to start doing my little waves. And what you do is you grab a nice chunk of hair and you take your straightener and you just go down, up, down, up, down. And hopefully that did what I wanted it to. I can't see, so let's check. Guys, I honestly can't tell. I can't see, so hopefully this is working out the way it should be. Okay, on to the next strand. Down, up, down, up. I like to try to get the ends to go down. I'm sorry if I'm like all up in your mic is probably hitting my chin. Okay, so there's that section. On to the next section. Down, up, and well, that didn't go down, but whatevs. That's all right. It's all right. Okay, so there's the first section. And now you're gonna wanna take down, I'm in frame, right? Okay, you're gonna wanna take down another little section and then clip the rest back up again. Okay. And then take hopefully enough. Down, up, down, up, down. I have no idea how that went. Okay. Grab some more. Down, up, down, up, down. Next strand, hopefully. Down, up, down, up, down, and like so. this one more of hi, how you doing? One more of this straightener, and then we will move on to the little guy, which hopefully I think it's good on this. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. If you miss like some hair, you'll know, because it'll be the only hair that's straight, and then you can just grab it and, you know, do it. Okay. Okay. Now, I don't know if I want to. We gotta have smaller clips for this. I don't need a giant clip. Pine frame, stone frame. Okay, great. All right, now we're gonna move on to the smaller, because we're getting into the layers. Now, if your hair doesn't really have like layers like mine, you can just use one hair straightener. You could actually just use one hair straightener the whole time if you wanted to. I just choose to change it up a little bit with a smaller one for my shorter layers, but you don't have to. Well, you don't have to do anything. Okay, and then we're just going to take this one, which is really hot. Whew, that's a hot straightener. You just do the same thing, just with this smaller straightener. Ooh, it's hotter too. Like so. Okay, I'm gonna finish the back, which is like one more layer, and then we'll move on to the front and sides and all that. Okay, so there's that. I don't know how wavy it is. Doesn't. Oof. You don't want it like too crazy. Okay. So now we're going to take the front. Ugh, need to redo my hair. I just can't decide if I want what I want to do. I'm thinking about going back to blonde. Okay, let's start with this one. Do the same thing. Yeah. I hope the back turned out like this. It's hard to see. Okay, by the way, the only thing in my hair today is dry shampoo, which It's second day. This is my second day hair, my dirty hair. So the only thing I put in it was dry shampoo. Oop. Okay. Still using this one. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the smaller hair straightener. So yeah, this is what it looks like when you're done, or what mine looks like when I'm done, because your hair is obviously not going to be just like mine. Hopefully the back looks okay. Not sure because I couldn't see a thing, so hopefully that turned out okay. But yeah, so that is the Wave hair straightener wave tutorial. Messy wave. It's not, obviously it's not perfectly, you know, that's why we use two different ones. We don't want it to be perfect. We want it to be messy. At least I do. I like it more messy. So yeah, that's this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please give this video a like. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And hit the little bell to become part of the hashtag notification nation. And be alerted as soon as my videos go up, which is every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday, 10 a.m. 10 a.m. And there's a link all the way at the bottom of my description box for my Facebook page, Beauty Obsessions with Jackie. There you will see past looks, sneak peeks of future looks, and once I get it over 100, I will start doing lives, and we can do Q&As. Like, you can leave your questions there for me, so I can do Q&A videos in the future. So head on over and like that page. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you tune in for future videos. And I also hope that you have a great day. Bye.